Hello friends, welcome back to the Minister Stock channel. So today again I'll be discussing on one bulk deal in the FMCG sector. So that is fast moving consumer goods, and which is the well-known company, and everyone knows about the future consumers. So future consumers, there is a bulk deal today which we are going to discuss. But before going into further discussion, I would like to discuss some 4 points with respect to companies fundamental or technical perspective, how the company looks like. So future consumer current market price is 4 rupees 55 paisa. That is first point. Second one is future consumer in different time zones, like 1 month or even 1 year time zone. Even if I take 5 years time zone, companies consistently giving negative returns. So this is totally bad news about the future consumer. So in different time zones, 1 month, 1 year, or even 5 years time zone, consistently the negative returns we are observing in this future consumer stock. And third point is again in the same line, like future consumer is continuously increasing. Back 2 years, if we see in 2020 as well as 2021, company has consistently given reported losses, that is 0.22 and 0.48 respectively. The values are in crores, 0.22 crores and 0.48 crores. So these are the negative like losses reported by the company, and this is also not a good sign. So moving on to the fourth an important point is, which is relating to shareholding pattern. So in shareholder pattern, mutual fund investors now, earlier they were 0.3%, 0.03%, now it is totally zero. So no mutual fund investment in the future consumer. Second one, DIS, domestic institutional investor, currently now they are having only 1.31% of investment in this future consumer. Interestingly, FII, foreign institutional investors, so FII is still there at 10.25% of investment. So this is one good news. Foreign institutional investors are there, like they have invested 10.25%. And as usual, everyone knows retailers will be always there at the higher side. So 76% are retailers in the future consumers. So now finally the major one is like which impact everyone, like whoever looks at the financials or shareholding patterns, how much is the promoter shareholding and what is the status of that. So even in this case, in future consumers, earlier the promoters were 37%, and now if we look at as on 31st December 2021, now this percentage came to 12.16%. so this gives negative vibes. Okay, so negative message to the investors or retailers or anyone, whoever is looking at this future consumer. This indicates that the promoter itself are not having faith, or not having confidence, not having any, they are not looking any good prospect down the line. So hence from 37% to now it is came to 12.16%. that means promoters are selling their stake gradually. So this is the bad thing about the future consumer. So let us come to the final news which we are supposed to discuss, that is a bulk deal. So today there is a bulk deal for 1 crore 21 lakh 16,368 shares sold today, actually not bought, sold. So this is one again kind of negative or bad news about the future consumer. This means this is the huge numbers, 1 crore 21 lakh 16,368 shares were sold today. That means the profit booking is done. So hence we might see again there will be a dip in the price. So dip in the sense, the current market price is 4.5 or 4.55 paisa. Now we might see dip in the this current market prices was, and this the whatever the bulk deal was happened, that was the average price was 4 rupees 60 paisa. Okay, so considering all these points, you might have got the idea what how the company is financially and even the fundamentally looks like. Okay, so that's it for today. If you want to take any decision with respect to the taking a position or selling out your existing positions, please do consider consulting your personal financial advisor and then take a financial decision. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.